Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to make a board a template in monday.com. So first step is to navigate to your board. So open it up and now simply go right here to these three dots which says options. Click on it and then simply go right here to more actions, and here you should see the button save as template. Just click on it and you can save it as template, move or duplicate first project. So if you want to duplicate the origin, click on this. If you want to move the origin, click on this and then click on next. Now choose template type. So if it's a standard template, editing this template will not affect any other places where it is used. Or if it is a managed template, editing this template will update it anywhere it is used. Now for this you need an enterprise plan. So click on next. Now save as a template, give it just your name. So new template, and then simply click on create template. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.